I want to talk about my nifty little motorcycle lift table I got from Harbor Freight. It's about 300 pounds. You could definitely use some help, or if you know what you're doing, 2 big furniture dollies, you can wheel it in and move it anywhere, okay? So never underestimate the power of an old man and 2 furniture dollies. I can move most anything, okay? $449 and change. $96 for delivery. I got a $100 discount. I don't know why I got the discount. Maybe they just liked me. I don't think I put a discount code on it or whatever. So it came with this plate here that goes underneath the rear wheel. You've got the ramp. You've got your front wheel clamp here. We've got the main assembly. And then I had my wheels here. So you've got 2 sets of wheels. You've got the cast wheel that I'm putting on here. It's just a solid wheel, hole drilled in it. You got a cotter pin and a washer. You put the washer on, slip the cotter pin in, spread it open, about as easy as putting socks on a rooster. Then you've got your 2 wheels on the front, 4 bolts each. Don't lose that 10 millimeter. You're going to need it, okay? So we're pretty much ready, okay? That's all you got to do. Put that on. We've got to put the front stop on it, the front wheel clamp. You've got 3 mounting positions for your front wheel there. Give you a little bit of flexibility and how you want to mount it. You've got the front wheel stop. You got a little bit of adjustment on there if you need it. Put your ramp on. Don't ride your scooter up on it like I did. If it falls over, you know, if you're riding a heavier motorcycle, you're going to have problems. Okay, so this shin braking, evil thing here, if you like to drink or you smoke that green leafy stuff, if it's legal or whatever, you don't want to be walking in your garage late at night and kicking it and tearing into your shin. You're going to say every cuss word you know. They come off real easy. It's just a square end on the shaft. Don't let me forget to talk about this thing here. This is your little safety bar that goes in that keeps the lift table from falling on you, okay? If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. There's a subscribe button down there somewhere. You got the bell for notifications if you want. A lot more fun videos to come. I want to thank you for watching. Y'all take care.